A very good morning to you all. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay. Just show me your thumb. Everybody is fine. Just show me your thumb. Are you ready for today's lecture, today's class? Yes, very good. Now, children, as this lecture started in the morning, first I want to show you something. Look here. What is it? Yes, it is a bottle filled with water. Now, what I'll do, see. Now, I'm going to take some amount of water in another bottle. This I took for myself, okay? But when I removed some water from this bottle, what is happening to it? Is it fully, completely filled or a little bit empty? Or it is a half-filled bottle? Is it a half-filled or completely filled? Or a little space is remaining for water to fill it again? So today we will see about it in detail. But before proceeding our lecture, first we will do a small prayer, okay? So come on, join your hands, close your eyes, and say prayer along with me. Today in prayer we will say Gayatri Mantra. Yes, very good children. Say Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Yes, slowly open your eyes. Yes, very good children. Now shall we proceed further towards our lecture? Now I just show you about the water, the quantity. Can you tell me today's topic name? It is related to this quantity only. Yes, we measure quantities of liquid, what we call it. Just think a little bit. And yes, write answers in chat box, children. So today we will do maths. Our subject is maths. In maths, yes, very good Soham. Now he has guessed correctly. That is a measurement. In measurement, we had seen about length, weight. Now today we will learn volume and capacity. That means the capacity of this bottle, capacity of this smaller bottle. What is its volume? We are going to study all these things today. Okay. Yes. But before starting any practical things, we will first see about PPT. First, we'll see what is volume, what is capacity, how to measure it. Then we will do the things. Okay. So now let's have a look, children. Now, welcome back, everybody. In our Brihan Mumbai's Municipal Corporation statewide online education channel. Yeah, it is online. That means we are taking online from home. You are at your home. I am at my home. Now in standard 3, today our subject is maths, and in maths we are going to see measurement. But there are various types of measurements. Today we will learn about measurement part 2, that is volume and capacity. Okay. Now children, in your previous lesson, in our previous topic, that is in part 1, we have already learned how to measure the length, how to measure the weight, length of clothes, length of gate, anything. We had learned measuring length and measuring weight, that is kg, that is kilogram, gram. So now today, we will learn a new measuring unit. But whenever we measure a unit, there are standard units given to it to measure. For example, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. And 1 kilogram, that is kg, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. The short form of grams is gm. It is very important to have a standard unit to measure anything. Let it be length, height, weight, kilogram. To make the quantity equal, we have put that standard units. We are using standard units for measuring. Now today, in volume and capacity, we will see what is the standard unit to measure the capacity. See, here are few vessels. The first one is a glass. Second is a jug. Third is a bowl. And fourth is a bucket. Now you all tell me, if you will take water in all these vessels, which vessel will hold the more quantity of water? Just think a little bit, children. A glass will hold more water, or a bowl, or a bucket, or a mug. Yes. Now see, the bucket will hold the most water, and the bowl will hold the least amount of water. That means in bucket you can fill more water as compared to all other 3 vessels. Now see here, the same bucket is given to both the kids. But here the boy is using a glass and the girl is using a pitcher to fill the same bucket. The length and the capacity of the bucket is same. That means the same amount of water you can fill in this bucket. But the boy is using a glass and the girl is using a pitcher. Now who will have to do more hard work to fill this bucket? This girl or a boy? Just put yourself in this situation that if you are filling a bucket with a glass, will it take more time as compared to if you will fill that bucket with a pitcher? Yes, definitely glass. Why? The size of the glass is small as compared to pitcher. Now here the child used 40 glasses of water to fill that bucket. And then another child, that means the girl, she used 10 pitchers of water to fill that bucket. It doesn't matter, kids, who fill the water or what means were used to fill the water. If you are filling with a ball, if you're filling with a water, if you are using pitcher or using a glass or using a tumbler, it doesn't matter what you are using to fill that water. The matter is the things, how to measure it. Measurement should be the same. For that, we must use a standard measure. For example, to measure kg, that means kilograms, we used 1 kg equals to 1000 grams. That is a standard unit to measure the kilograms. In the same manner, in the same way, we have a standard unit to measure the volume and capacity. See here, 1000 milliliter equals to 1 liter. You can say in another way also, that is 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. Now here 3 things are given: a flask, a tumbler, and a big jug. The measuring units are written in it. You can see it clearly. At the down, it is written in the flask, that is 100 milliliter, then 200, 300, 400, up till 900 it is marked 900 ml. Ml is the short form of milliliter. And the last one is 1 liter. That means 1000 milliliter. And between these two lines, 1 and 2, that means 100 milliliter and 200 milliliter, there is a small line. That means in this between you have 450 milliliters. Between 100 and 200, we have 150 milliliter. Between 200 and 300, we have 250 milliliter. In the same way, we are going to count it. In the mug also, 2 measurement is written, 500 milliliter and 1 liter. That means the half of 1 liter is exactly 500 milliliter. And the last one, which is the very smaller one, in that it is written 5 ml till 20 ml. Many times we use this smaller cup to measure the medicines. Medicines, that means syrups, liquids. See here, the bottle of water, that is Bisleri water. Here it is written 1 liter. We have many bottles with different quantities. The smaller one is 250 milliliter, then 500, then liter, then 2 liter. Now you can convert that in milliliter also. If you know that 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. If 1 liter is 1000 milliliter, then half liter means, now count the milliliter in a half liter. Yes, half liter means 500 ml. Okay. Now see, here is also another mug is given. In that mug, the measurements are written. It is given to measure the things, to measure the liquid. For example, if you want to measure milk, water, oil, all that liquids, we use such types of mugs. See here, 1000 ml, that is 1000 milliliter means 1 liter. Now here in the first mug, I have marked it with a black color. Now just see closely to it, what is written, what the amount is written here. Yes, children. Yes, you are correct. Here it is 500 ml. 500 ml, just see in front of 500 ml, it is written half. That is half liter. If we will go further down, see here between 200 and 300, another black marking is given. That is 250 ml, milliliter. In front of 250 milliliter, here it is given 1/4. If 1/4 is 250, half is 500, then what will be 3/4? Now do the calculation and tell me the amount of milliliter in 3/4 liter. 250, then 500, then there is an amount between 500 and 1000, which we call 3/4. Yes, that is 750 ml. Now, whenever that milkman comes to our house to supply milk, he uses such type of vessels. On that vessels, if you will see, if you'll ask him to show you, he will show you the quantity is written on it. 100 ml, 500 ml, 200 ml, 100 ml. In such way, the quantities are written. 100 ml, that means he is giving you 1 liter of milk. 500 ml, that means how much he is giving to you? If you will tell him to give you 500 ml of milk, definitely he will give you half liter. Or if you tell him to give you half liter of milk, he will give you 500 ml. Because half liter is equals to 500 milliliter. See, this cane is used for oils, for kerosene. The measurement is written on the same, that is 1000 milliliter, 500 milliliter, but the shape is different as compared to that vessel which we use for milk. Now I think the ideas of liter is clear to you. That is, in 1 liter, let's revise it once. That is 1 liter equals to how many milliliters? Yes, 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliters. 3/4, that means 750 milliliters. Half liter means half liter is equals to 500 milliliters. And 1/4 liter, that means 250 milliliters. Yes. But as our topic is capacity and volume, or you can say volume and capacity. Now we had learned about liter, milliliters, liquid. But what is the meaning of capacity? Always I'm using it has this much of capacity, this bottle has that much of capacity, but what does it mean? Now the example which we have seen, can you tell me the meaning of capacity in your own words? We had seen this measurement is given. This much of water is filled in the bucket. Now tell me what is the meaning of capacity? You can guess it, children. Yes. Now let's see what is the meaning of capacity. See here. A pot is given to you. Here I have taken a pot and I have filled it with the water. Just see the level of water. It is not half filled, not quarter filled. Quarter, that means 1/4. But that pot is filled completely. Till the top, I had filled that pot with water. Now I am telling you the capacity of this pot is this much. That means a vessel, a utensil, a box, or whatever you are taking, let it be a pot, let it be a bottle, let it be a bucket. The amount of liquid which you are pouring in it and what amount it can hold, the maximum amount what it can hold is called its capacity. Here, this pot is filled with water, and if I'll put more water in this pot, definitely the water will spill out. It will flow outside. That means capacity is the amount or a quantity a vessel can hold. The maximum amount which a vessel can hold is called its capacity. Here, the capacity of this bucket is 40 glasses of water. And here, when we are using a pitcher, that means the capacity of this bucket is 10 pitchers of water. But the bucket size is same. That means the capacity of glass and the capacity of pitcher is different from each other. The capacity of pitcher is more than the capacity of glass because we use more glasses of water to fill the bucket as compared to the bucket which we filled with the help of a pitcher. That means the capacity of pitcher is more. In pitcher, we can take more quantity of water as compared to glass because the glass size is smaller than the pitcher. Now, what is the meaning of volume? Now, you all tell me what is the meaning of volume. Capacity, you all understood, that is up to the mark which we are filling the maximum quantity of liquids. Maximum quantity of substance we are putting in a vessel, that is its capacity. What it is holding without spilling it out, without throwing it out. The maximum amount what a vessel can hold is called its capacity. Now, what is the meaning of the volume? See here. Volume is the amount of space occupied by a substance. Substance, that means liquid, what we are going to put it in that vessel. For example, if I am taking a big bucket and in that I have put only 2 bottles of waters and that bottle measures 1 liter. That means I'm putting 1 plus 1, 2 liters of water in a very big bucket. That means the volume of that water which is stored in that bucket is 2 liters. Look here. This bucket, it has the capacity of 12 liters. That means maximum if I'll put water in that bucket, I can put 12 liters of water in that bucket. But I'm not talking here about capacity. Now we are talking about volume. We know that capacity of bucket is 12 liters. But what is the volume? Can you see there is a water? There is water in that bucket. See here, I have marked that the level of water with this red color. Here the red color mark shows that quantity of water in that bucket. That means the water which occupy the space which that water has taken is called its volume. Okay, now see here. The same beaker is used, that 100 ml, 100 ml. This, both the beakers has the measurement of 100 ml, 100 milliliter. But the first is completely filled up to the mark, that is up to the 100 ml. And the second one, we have only 60 ml of water. It is showing the first one is showing the capacity, which is written with red color. That means the complete capacity. You cannot put more than 100 ml in that beaker. If you will try to put more liquid, if you will try to pour more water in that, that water will flow out. It will spill out. That is the capacity, the maximum level which you can put it in there, which that vessel can hold. And the volume, that is the substance, that could be a liquid, solid, or gas. It could be any substance. The space what that substance is using. Here the water has used only 60 ml of space. That is the volume. Now children, we have learned many things about liter, milliliter, volume and capacity. Now let me tell you how much fruit juice is in the jug. Now you tell me the answer. Just see this jug, and the measurement is also marked here. From 0 ml it has started and the ending point is 100 ml. That means 1 liter. 100 milliliter is 1 liter. That means you can put 1 liter of juice in that mug. Now here it is asked how much fruit juice is this jug. In this jug, how many milliliter, how much milliliter juice is there? That means here it is asked about its volume. Capacity is already marked, that is 1 liter. You cannot put more than 1 liter in that. Now here it is asked about its volume. Now you tell me the milliliter of juice that jug is holding right now. Whether it is 900 milliliter, 700 milliliter or 300 milliliter. See, between 500 and 1000, there are small lines, black lines. That one line represents 100 milliliter. After 500, just move one level up, 600, then 700, 800, 900, and then 1000. But the level of juice is till the second line. That is after 500, it is 600 and then 700 ml. Yes, that means this jug is holding 700 milliliter of juice. Yes, children, very good, correct. It is 700 ml of juice in this. Now see here. Here it is asked about the capacity. That means total, completely quantity. The maximum quantity which you can put in that. Capacity is the total quantity which you are putting in that. What is the capacity of a bucket of water? Two liter? No. 10 liter? Just think. 1000 ml. What is the meaning of 1000 ml? The first and the second option is given you in liters. But the third option is given you in ml. That is milliliter. Now convert that milliliter into liter. Here it is 1000 liter. That means it is 1 liter. Here it is 1000 milliliter. That means it is 1 liter. Now you got three options: 2 liter, 10 liter, and 1 liter. It seems that 1 and 2 liter is small. So the option would be 10 liter. Now this one is very easy for you all. How many milliliters in 2.5 liters? You all have learned that 1 liter equals to 1000 ml. Then 2.5 liter equals to how many milliliters? Just do the calculation and you will get the answer. Just do the calculation, children. First do the calculation. Yes, you all are very good in multiplying, division. Yes, 1000 milliliter, that means 1 liter. So in 2 liter, we will have 2000 milliliter. And here it is written 2.5. 0.5, that means half of 1. In 200 liters, we are going, in 2 liters, we are going to add more 500 milliliters. So it will make 2500 milliliters. 2.5 liters, that means 2500 milliliters. Now I think the concept of volume and capacity is clear to you all. Volume is the space a substance is holding, and capacity is the maximum amount what a vessel can hold. So now children, let's move towards our assignment time. Okay. Let's see here what we have in assignment. Now here you have to make a list of all those places where water is wasted. Make an estimate of how much water is wasting. Estimate, that means you have no need to take a correct quantity. You can guess that quantity, that how much water is wasting, and you can suggest way of reducing the wastage. And you can suggest your ideas how we can stop that wastage. Okay. Now in your surrounding or in your home, wherever you find the wastage of water, just make a list of those places and just think what quantity we are wasting and give the suggestion. Give your ideas how we can stop that wastage. Okay. Is it clear to you all? Yes, children. Very good. Thank you, everyone. Yes, welcome back here, children. Now we have seen about volume and capacity. Okay. Now, before only I showed you that I had taken some amount of water from this bottle. Okay. See here it is written 1 liter. Okay. That means the capacity of this bottle is 1 liter only. You cannot put more water in that. And here capacity of this bottle is, can you see it? Here it is written 250 ml. You cannot put more water or any liquid more than this. If I have reduced the quantity, see, I have reduced the quantity. Okay, I have reduced this quantity. Now the quantity is this much. I'll mark with the pen. Wait. See here. Now I have taken this much quantity. Can you see this blue line? Yes. Now just see the space which the water is using. The space which this water is occupied is called its volume. Capacity is 250 ml. Capacity is 250 ml. That means we can put water up to 250 ml. But now what is the volume? 175. Wait. Yes, it is 175. Yes, Kushal. Very good, beta. Yes, Anand. Now the volume in this bottle is 175 ml. Now let me add few more water in it. Yes, now see and tell me the volume. Yes, children, see clearly and tell me the volume. Let me mark it. 223. 255. Yes, very good. You are guessing correct. It is a little bit above 225. No, the maximum level is 250. Then how can it become 255? Yes, you can say it is 226. Yes, a little above 225. That is, it is 226. Very good, children. You are trying good. And as it is a liquid, see here it is marked with ml. See, it is marked here with ml. That is milliliter. Okay. Now I am going to put this water back in this bottle, the bigger bottle. Now this is 1 liter. That means I am holding 1000 milliliter of water. 1000 milliliter. In 1 liter, we have 1000 milliliter. So in 2 liter, now tell me the milliliter of these 2 liter bottles. In 1 liter, we have 1000 milliliter. So in 2 liter, tell me the quantity in milliliter. Yes, very good. In 2 liter of bottles, we have 2000 milliliter of water. Okay. Now here, see this. This is a packet of half liter milk. Now tell me the half liter. Half liter is equals to how many milliliter? Half liter. 1 liter 1000. Then in half liter. Yes, very good. Very good, Mayuri beta. It is 500 ml. This 500, another 500. And if I'll take one more 500, 3 500 packets. Now tell me the total quantity. Yes, 750. How it will become 1000? No, yes, it is 1500. Yes, very good. Not 750 also. 500, 500 and 500. That is 1500. Yes, Aditya, very good. Good children. Now let's see. I'm going to show you something. Now I think the point is clear to you all. That is what is capacity and what is volume. Completely filled is capacity, and the amount, the space a substance is holding is called its volume. Okay. Now for you, I have here one assignment. Let's do it first and then write it in your notebook. Okay. See this thing. I'm going to stick it here. Okay. Here the different size of jugs are given. This jug is the biggest one. And here glasses are given to fill this jug. Now you have to match this. As it is the bigger one, so we need more glasses of juice or more glasses of water to fill it. Now we are going to match it. Okay? Come on now, help me to match the glasses with this jar. Here we have more quantity of glass, so I'm going to match this. The smallest one will match with the less quantity of glass. That means in this jar I can put only 2 glasses of juice or 2 glasses of water. Okay, am I right? Yes. Now here, top. Now children, tell me one thing. See here. I have 2 bottles. The smaller bottle is holding 2 glasses of water and the bigger one will hold 3 glasses of water. So what is the volume here and what is the capacity? The capacity of this bottle is 2 glasses and the capacity of this bigger bottle is 3 glasses of water. Okay. Now you all tell me one thing. See it here. And read the question what is given. What is the capacity of water jug? Now here what is the capacity of this jug? Count the number of glasses given. Just now we did the matching. Now how many glasses are here? Count the number of glasses. Yes, beta, very good. Here it is 7 glasses. That means the capacity of this water jug is 7 glasses. See here. Answer is written. The capacity of the jug is 7 glasses. Okay. In the same way, the capacity of this bottle is 3 glasses. 3 glasses. And the capacity of this bottle is 2 glasses. Fine. I think you all understood the capacity and volume. Now I'm going to show you some things and you have to tell me whether it is correct or not. See, here I have 2-liter cane. Here it is written 2 liter. Okay. This is an oil cane of 2-liter bottle. 2 liter. If I'll fill with 1 liter, if I'll fill this 100 ml of water in this, that means the volume will be less, but the capacity of this bottle is more. It can hold till 2000 ml, but I'm putting it only 1000. That means the volume is only 1000, but the capacity is 2000. Okay. Now see here. Now read the volume and tell me the volume what is written here. Read the volume. See here it is written volume. I'm going to mark it, just read it. Now read the volume. Yes, very good. It is 500 ml. 500 ml, that means half liter. But still we have some space. Here still we have some space. That means you can put a little bit more in it. The capacity is little bit more, but the volume is 500. Okay. In the same way, we have measuring cups also. So always we should use the cup according to the measurement which is given to us. If I'm telling you to use one cup, that is 250 ml of, let me take any things. See, all these are cups. Quantities are written here. That is 250 or 100 or 100 ml. All quantities is written. If you will see, if you will use according to the volume, the capacity, the quantity is written on it. It is written in ml. If we are using water, you can use this by this given measurement. The smallest one, here it is written 30 ml. Okay, so if I'm taking water in this from this bottle, that means from 1000 ml I have taken 30 ml of water. Now how much water is remained in this? So from 1000 just subtract 30 ml. Okay, you will get the quantity. Now children, what you have to do, one more thing, the assignment which I have given, that you have to write in your notebook and do one more thing. Just make a list where you find the quantity what is written on bottle. You have many things at your home. Shampoo bottle, oils bottle. You all love eating that sauce. In that the volume is written, just note down the volume and just give an estimation that what more it can hold, what more quantity it can hold. Okay, make a chart of that paper, make 2 columns, quantity and capacity. That means volume and capacity of a given substance, of a given bottle. Write in that. Okay. So till then, our next lecture. Just take care of yourself. Be healthy. Bye-bye. Okay, now our lecture is end here. I hope you all have understood this and just make a list for I've told you. In next lecture, we are going to deal with the more examples of volume and capacity. Okay. Till then, bye-bye. Take care of yourself. And be ready for your next lecture, which will start shortly.